Hello everyone, myself is Avinash Kumar Singh from University of Technology Sydney, and I'm going to talk briefly about one of the projects funded by Defense Innovation Network, which we are doing with the help of Navy, called Navy Operation Head-Up Interface. Think about a scenario where a Navy officer on watch dealing with heated conversation from warfare operational room while instructing all the officer on board to navigate safely and also continuously checking bearing of other ships with the potential threats around. This all while tracking two potential ships moving toward a collision trajectory with the help of gyroscope, navigational dashboard, radar, etc., and making critical decisions. In such a given situation, this officer is dealing with a significant level of workload while his performance is deteriorating significantly. What if I say officer on watch is using an augmented reality headset that shows all the moving ships around him as a floating icons like you can see here, while also highlighting those ships, those which are in collision course with red and those are not as a green. By just doing that, by presenting this all information to the officer on watch, it's possible to significantly reduce his cognitive workload. By doing so, obviously, he is able to perform better. And because he is able to perform better, he is able to take better critical decisions. And that's exactly what we were able to design so far, and we call it Navy Operational Head-Up Interface. We have one prototype at this moment that shows all the information using HoloLens based augmented reality glasses, while as a test bed, as a validation, we continuously measure real-time cognitive load assessment from physiological signal such as EEG or eye tracking as well as smartwatch to understand his physiological measure like a HRV or a skin conductance or body temperature. This is an example of what we have designed. We created a simulated ship environment, and now you can see here there's a water outside with some environment and target ships and all kind of equipment available as a dashboard. For example, this is radar and map and etc. And same interface, same simulated information, same situation with the user, where user can see the information presented into head-up display. In this case, uh, what we call it Navy Operation Head-Up Interface, where ship's information all available as a floating icon, and 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 they represent into yellow and red, where red means danger, and some other information like a speed and rudder angle, as well as information on demand that can be accessed by paying attention to certain icons. So far, we were able to design this Navy Operation Interface based prototype as well as a real-time pipeline that continuously assess the cognitive load produced during the given task, but most importantly presenting all information as a head-up interface, in this case is HoloLens. And we were able to produce this all kind of a matrix that represent what's going on in terms of cognitive load, with the goal to further adapt what has been presented on the screen. Such an application had straight and direct impact and application for Navy environment. For instance, this can be used as a tool, translated directly as a tool where during the training of Navy officers, this tool can be used to understand what are the most critical information for officer in making, and how to further modulate them or how to further refine them in the way that can that can be used for better training as well as reduce the cognitive workload. That's number one. Number two, application is directly during the operation, where an augmented reality glasses based prototype which we designed here can be used, which has potential to significantly reduce the cognitive load while improve the performance significantly, which have another significant number of application as well, not just in Navy but potentially in other domain of defense as well as non-defense domain as well. So far we are still in prototyping stage and we are conducting experiment with participant, currently student from university, but in future as well as officers from Navy as well to try this prototype. Well, with that, I just want to say thank you for your attention. And although I'm not there during this presentation, but I will happy to take questions which, from you or anyone during. You can write me an email or even forward me a question through the presenter. Thank you.